Welcome to the J Weld Book Club. My name is Chaim Eckstein, and we are covering this month's book, Eat That Frog with Brian Tracy. And I'm excited to be with you on the 21 principles of success, and we're holding now by the 10th principle of success. Take it one oil battle at a time. You can accomplish the greatest and biggest accomplishments in the most complicated jobs if you just complete one step at a time. In the same way, you can accomplish your biggest tasks in your life by disciplining yourself to take it just one step at a time. Your job is to go as far as you can see. You will then be able to see far enough to go further. To accomplish a great task, you must step out in faith and have complete confidence that your next step will soon become clear to you. Remember the wonderful advice, leap and the net will appear. A great life or a great career is built by performing one task at a time, quickly and well, and then going to the next task. Financial independence is also achieved by saving a little bit money to this month and a little bit money next month, and then year after year. Health and fitness are accomplished just eating a little bit less today and exercising a little bit more. One day at a time, day after day, month after month. You can overcome procrastination and accomplish extraordinary things by taking just the first step. Getting started towards your goal and then taking it one step, one oil battle at a time. This is how you accomplish big, amazing, extraordinary accomplishments. We are holding by principle number 11. Upgrade your key skills. The more knowledgeable and skilled you become at your key tasks, the faster you start them and the sooner you get them done. Determine exactly what is it that you are very good at doing or could be very good at, and throw your whole heart into doing these specific things very, very well. One of the most helpful of all time management techniques is for you to become better at your key tasks. Personal and professional improvement is one of the best time savers there is. You don't have to spend so much time once you become better at it. The better you are at a key task, the more motivated you are to launch into it. So take into your brain this rule. Continuous learning is the minimum requirement for success in any field. If you do that, you're going to become better and better, spend less and less time on the things that you do, or become much more efficient and get done quicker and be able to accomplish much more. And we are up to number 12. Very important. Identify your key constraints. Ask yourself these questions. What is holding you back? What sets the speed at which you achieve your goals? What determines how fast or how slow you move from where you are to where you want to go? What stops you or holds you back from accomplishing or making a difference? Why aren't you already at your goals? Identify your limiting factor. Every business has limiting factors or choke points that determines how quickly and well the company achieves the purpose that they want to achieve. And the same thing as we discussed before, the 80-20 rule comes into play as well. 80% of your struggles is because of 20% of determining factors that holds you back. Identify what are the top 20% that hold you back from accomplishing what you really want to accomplish, and focus on eliminating these 20% ASAP. As soon as possible, get rid of them and focus on the top 20% that will help you do the most that you can get done as soon as possible. Thanks for being with us. My name is Chaim Eckstein with the J Weld Book Club. Stay tuned for the next principle of success.